Hello and welcome to another update video about Adaah. I wanted to start here on the daily time frame just to show that how the yellow scenario is looking like. Basically, the yellow scenario remains still the preferred one, and it is the one that allows still for one more high as per here this fifth wave to the upside. And in this fifth wave, we are probably going to watch for 5 waves, which could reach $1.72 or 236. The wave 4, however, was very, very deep. So we'll have to see. I mean, it's not necessarily high confidence, but the bullish scenario is still relevant. And still valid, still relevant. And we are still watching for higher prices, especially as long as the last swing low is holding here from the 3rd of February, which formed at around 50 cents. However, it's not only that, I'm also going to track, or I'm going to show you the micro support level that is relevant on the chart for the 1-2 setup to the upside that we're tracking, which could provide some short-term opportunities for long trade setups potentially. But as I said, this chart already corrected a lot in this larger degree wave 4. It's a bit too deep for what a wave 4 should do, but technically still valid. Sometimes when we have these liquidation days, sometimes we can see distortions in the wave pattern. So we'll now take a look at the smaller time frame. Just before we do that, once or should we see a break below support on the short-term chart, then the larger degree support will become relevant again. It is between 28.9 cents and 36 cents. It is something to keep in mind. In that case, then I would track the orange scenario, which is labeled as an A, B, C structure, probably a flat correction from where we could still go higher. That, however, would also be low confidence until I see an impulsive reaction to the lower support area. So now let's take a look at the smaller time frame. Here, you know this scenario already. So especially in the yellow scenario, we were watching for one more low. I can see the last dip as the 5th wave down. So let me take you through this. Here you can see the larger degree 4th wave low that potentially formed on the 3rd of February. We had a reaction and then this sideways, you could say sideways consolidation period, which unfolded over recent weeks. And it is important to understand that there are 2 ways how this correction can unfold. First of all, I don't care so much about the microstructure. As long as the price holds above 56 cents, the overall bullish scenario remains intact. Okay, so this is our main support level that keeps the overall bullish outlook alive, I would say. Now, it is also important to understand that corrections can unfold in different ways. The main ones are ABC structures for a wave 2 or WXY structures. And I've got them both on the chart here. In the yellow scenario, the low could absolutely be in. We don't need another low. It formed a marginally lower low on some exchanges. And if we now see a break above resistance at 73.9 cents, which is different resistance area to yesterday because the pattern has evolved. So this is what matters now. So if we see a break above resistance, that's the first indication a low is in. Better would be a 5-wave move up above resistance as shown here on the chart in this roadmap. So this roadmap shows how this could look like. 5 waves up, how it would look like. But I need to see now a bit of a rally, break at least above the Tuesday high, then a break above resistance and so on. And it needs to hold yesterday's low. I mean, that would be conditioned for the yellow scenario. And in the white count, we could get another low, which wouldn't be a problem from a bullish point of view. 56.7 cents remains key support then in that case as well. It wouldn't really change much. All I'm saying is in the white count, we could get one more low. 61 to 56 cents could be the next support levels. The white count would be a standard ABC structure, normally the most likely one. But I've marked it just with a question mark because in crypto, I don't necessarily rely on that last low. That last low, sometimes people wait for it. And, oh, you said another low is happening. I've learned over the years that this last low sometimes just doesn't happen, It just doesn't happen sometimes, especially when we have liquidation events like we had in the last few in the last few days. Hold on, someone did say that. Do I find that number? About $249 million has been liquidated in the crypto market in the past 60 minutes. Okay, that was just related to a few minutes. Okay, that was yesterday, I think, the last dip, because that's not too much money. Well, it is a lot of money. I hope you know what I'm saying. But when we get large liquidations in crypto, we talk about a lot more money than just $250 million. So yeah, that was just in 60 minutes, but that's still a lot. And yeah, I'm just saying, when we have these rapid sell-offs, sometimes we don't see that last low. So essentially, we won't know until we get a 5-wave move up above resistance. Now, the fact that this looks a little bit like a double bottom, it can indicate that this is really just wave 4 in white. Yeah. So in the white scenario, this would easily be just an A, B, C pattern. Like this, yeah. So it's because B waves like to form double bottoms, but it's a marginally lower low, so I can also see that potentially as the 5th wave in yellow. So yeah, overall, microstructure is not so important. What matters really is the level. The level does matter, that the bulls turn up before the price breaks below 56.7 cents, and we want to see a break minimally above 73.9 cents, better in 5 waves, and even better, a break above this previous swing high. These swing highs, structural resistance, yeah, 82.4 cents, 82.5 cents needs to be broken. That's the update about Adaah. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on our new channel, which is going to be the new main channel, MCO Global. It's growing fast. Let's see if we can get it to 10,000 subscribers this week. You could be part of the first 10,000. Then we're going to focus on a 100K. So I'll post a link in the description. This is a channel where I'm covering different asset classes, more in-depth analysis, on-chain data, stuff like that is all to be found here. Thanks so much for your support. Link is in the description. Thank you. Bye-bye.